standard. Abhi you in last video number 1 we learn some good habits that keeps our body clean. That is, you have to brush your teeth by through toothbrush and toothpaste. Then always remember to clean your tongue with tongue cleaner, right? After that you have to take a bath daily with soap and water and wipe your body with dry and clean towel. You have to wear neat and clean clothes. Then use comb to keep your hair in place and use nail cutter to trim your nails and nail toes also. Then now today we will learn some more. We will learn some more way to keep our body clean. That is, we have to eat diet food which helps you to keep healthy and to grow strong. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है कि आपको कैसा फूड खाना चाहिए? डाइट फूड. डाइट फूड मीन्स you have to eat some food like broccoli or peas, tomato, pumpkin, leafy vegetables which keeps you strong and healthy. So you have to eat that kind of food and that helps you to grow strong and keep your body healthy. Now second point is you have to drink sufficient water, means plenty of water you have to drink, and after eating meals and before eating meals you have to wash your hands, right? So this way you have to drink of plenty of water, means आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी पीना चाहिए. और खाने से पहले एंड आफ्टर ईटिंग, मतलब खाने के बाद आपको दोनों ही टाइम आपके हैंड्स वॉश करने चाहिए, सो दैट जर्म्स विल नॉट स्टे ऑन आवर हैंड. Okay, now third next point, do exercise to stay strong and fit. Daily you have to do exercise. Exercise means which way? You have to do pranayam, you have to do running, physical activity you have to do for stay healthy. Running, jogging, skipping, jumping, playing. This way you have to do exercise. These are physical activities. So you have to do physical exercise like jumping, running, skipping, walking, right? So do exercise to stay strong and fit. So physical activities keeps you strong and fit, right? Now next, take rest and sleep. आपको आराम भी करना चाहिए और नींद भी पूरी लेनी चाहिए. How? So go to bed early at night and wake up early in the morning. रात को जल्दी सो जाओ, दिन को जल्दी उठो. It keeps you fit and fine. And at least 8 to 9 hours you have to take a rest. How much? 8 to 9 hours you have to take sleep. How much time? Minimum 8 to 9 hours in a night you have to take rest, and which helps your body calm and healthy. Calm means शांत. एकदम से आपको your body, when you wake up early in the morning, at that time you feel your body fit and fresh. जब आप उठोगे तो that time your body shows your fitness, right? So you have to take rest at least 2 to 3 hours in a day and sleep at night early. Minimum 8 to 9 hours you have to take sleep so that you can keep your body healthy and fit. And you have to go to bed early at night and wake up early in the morning. And how much time you have to take rest and sleep? 8 to 9 hours, right? Okay, so this way we keep our body clean. Now what we do and what we do not do, what we don't to keep body neat and clean, that I explain. You have to listen that carefully. Right? First one, never rub your eyes. बार बार आँखों को हमको रब करना नहीं चाहिए. If you are doing this way, it maybe you can see very light way. आपकी आँखों को it will lose your eyes, means it will affect your eyes. आपकी आँखों को इफेक्ट कर सकता है and you cannot see properly after some times, जिसकी वजह से आपको काफ़ी समय तक अच्छे से दिख नहीं पाएगा. एंड देन यू हैव टू वॉश योर आईज विथ कोल्ड वाटर. राइट? नाउ सेकेंड वन पॉइंट इज ब्रश योर टीथ ट्वाइस अ डे. दिन में कितनी बार ब्रश करना चाहिए? 2. व्हेन यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, दैट टाइम यू हैव टू डू योर ब्रश and teeth, and when you go to bed early, that time also you have to brush your teeth with brush and toothpaste, so that it keeps your health healthy and teeth also keep healthy. Third one, watch television from a safe distance. Some children have habit to see that or to watch the television from nearest from they are keeping little bit distance to watch the television, so you have to keep safe distance, means at least 3 to 4 feet you have to stay away from television, so that you can see or watch the television proper way, otherwise you will get aspects on your eyes. अगर आप बहुत नज़दीक से देखोगे तो आपको आँखों में चश्मे भी आ सकते हैं. it will destroy your it will defect your eyes. आपकी आँखों को भी नुकसान कर सकता है. So always remember that you have to watch television from a safe distance. अच्छे खासे डिस्टेंस पे हमको टेलीविज़न देखना चाहिए. It is not necessary that you have to watch television regularly. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है आप रोज़ ही टेलीविज़न देखो, but whenever you watch or TV, that time you have to keep safe distance to watch that. Right? Fourth one, do not put anything inside your nose or ears. जब भी आप कान साफ करो या नाक साफ करो, that time do not put anything inside, मतलब कि नाक के अंदर या कान के अंदर कुछ भी डालना नहीं चाहिए without making any loss. हमें कुछ भी अंदर डालना नहीं चाहिए, so that you can keep your nose and ears be safe. That time you have to be aware. उस टाइम पे हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि हमें कुछ भी लकड़ी या तार से कान में या नाक में डाल के साफ नहीं करना चाहिए. If you have dirt in your nose or in your ears, just inform your parents. They will help you to keep it outside with a safe thing. Always. Okay. Now fifth one. Always wear neat and clean clothes. हमेशा कैसे कपड़े पहनने चाहिए? साफ सुथरे, नीट एंड क्लीन, प्रेस किए हुए, साफ सुथरे, धुले हुए. This kind of clothes you have to wear. It's called neat and clean. Now I ask you some, or I will write some exercise that you have to say true or false. Okay. So first one, so here some activity is given to you. First one, take what you do daily. आप रोज क्या करते हो वो आपको टिक करना है, राइट करना है. Get my nails trimmed. आप रोज नाखून काटते हो? No. Take a bath. Yes, you will take bath daily. Wear neat and clean clothes. तो रोज हम ऐसे कपड़े पहनते हैं, neat and clean. But we cannot trim our nails daily. Right? क्या नहीं करते? डेली हम लोग हमारे नेल्स ट्रिम नहीं करते. सो दैट इज रॉन्ग. वी आर ट्रिमिंग आवर नेल्स वंस अ वीक और वंस अ मंथ. सो दिस इज you have to do yourself, but I am doing here as an exercise for making you understand. So understood. Now I'll speak some exercise blanks that you have to give the answer. So we should wear blank clothes. Options are clean or dirty. What is the answer? So option is clean, right? तो आपको क्या लिखना होगा वहाँ पे? Option clean. Now second one, I drink plenty of dash in bracket water or cold drink. रोज आप पानी पीते हैं या कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीते हैं? That you have to inform. So what is the answer? Answer is water. I drink plenty of water, right? Now third one, I eat food that keep me healthy and helps me grow. Blank और इन ब्रैकेट स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड वीक. आप अच्छे से खाना खाओगे तो वो आपको क्या करेगा? स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएगा. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? वीक और हेल्दी? सो आंसर इज हेल्दी एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो आंसर इज स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो आई ईट फूड दैट कीप्स मी हेल्दी एंड हेल्प्स मी ग्रो स्ट्रॉन्ग, राइट? इसके साथ ही आपको विद दिस वीडियो आई सेंड वन मोर PDF of spellings that you have to write in your notebook. And parents, please check that your child would write or not in his EVS, in her or his EVS notebook for next session, and they have to read these spellings carefully and write with neat and clean handwriting, so that without making any spelling mistakes, so that they can read easily. So please take care of your child and be safe at your home. Thank you.